Elon Musk just officially revealed Tesla will build homes soon. Did you know there's a viral video going around on TikTok and Facebook of an Elon Musk doppelganger? However, many people think it's a fake video created via artificial intelligence. It's not the only news about Elon Musk nowadays. He's back in the spotlight after his inception of Tesla, following it up with more of his inventions and founding other companies such as SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. Have you recently heard that Tesla might be getting into the housing market? If you have heard about this and were wondering if it's true, if you want to know more, then stay tuned till the very end to find out. Welcome to Elon Musk Rewind. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, or basically anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. Now, what's the big news? Well, this summer, Tesla finally decided to jump into the housing market to provide products for the upcoming homes being built by home builder Allset eHome. With the technological advances that Tesla has shown, it will be interesting to see what products Tesla will provide for these homes. This could be an innovation that might shake up the housing market. An agreement was made between Tesla and the real estate developer Allset eHome, in which Tesla would supply power walls, electric vehicle chargers, and solar panels to Allset eHome Incorporated, which is a subsidiary of Allset eHome International Incorporated. When interviewed, the corporation stated that the Tesla products will be installed in 20 new single-family homes, which will be at the North Park community in Porter, Texas. Allset eHome is hoping to build 100 single-family homes, eHomes, by the end of 2021 within Texas. If you're curious to know more about the specific products being provided for these homes, then let us get into the details. Solar roof. The first product to be used for these eHomes is the solar roof or solar panels. These solar panels are essentially what will power the entire house. The extra energy collected through these solar panels will be stored in a storage system called power walls. These solar panel tiles look very stylish from near and from afar, and won't stand out and look out of place. The energy produced by these solar panels will be stored and can be used 24/7. Though these solar panels look high-tech and fancy, they are extremely durable and have been crafted to withstand all kinds of weather. They have a 25-year warranty, which means they will power your home for decades without having to worry about replacements and repair costs. Tesla's solar panels have been installed on more than 400,000 roofs. The best thing about these solar panels is that they provide you with clean energy to power your home. They also can generate and provide you with the most energy even if there isn't a steady ray of sunshine over your roof, or if these panels have been installed on a part of your roof that is not flat. These solar panels are installed extremely close to your roof to give your home a more aesthetically pleasing look. Power wall. The next product Tesla is providing these eHomes is the power wall. The power wall is a battery system that stores the extra energy collected by the Tesla solar panels. This allows you to have an energy backup day or night, even if there is no electricity available. The power wall can detect any power outages and will automatically recharge itself with sunlight to keep stored power for your future needs. It will keep your home appliances running for days, even if there is a power outage that lasts that long. The power wall is always purchased when installing the solar panels so that you don't have to rely on electricity. More than one power wall can be installed in your home, resulting in more energy storage for your home. These power walls are very versatile and can be installed in both outdoor and indoor areas. They also won't look out of place as they have a minimalist design and complement a variety of home styles. The power wall, combined with the Tesla solar inverter, will guarantee that your home is safe and well-powered and prepared for any electrical outages. The solar inverter has built-in connectivity, and with every software update, it will improve its performance and storage ability. Both the solar panels and the power wall can be monitored and controlled with the use of the Tesla app. You can customize your app according to your preferences. The app can be controlled remotely and gives the owner instant notifications. Electric vehicle chargers. Allset eHome states that each eHome will come with a Tesla car and a charging port. This is in hopes to encourage the use of electric vehicles. When asked about the products being used by Tesla, Allset eHome stated that Tesla's products were technologically superior, but also very aesthetically pleasing. They added that, apart from their creation of the eHomes in the United States, they plan to expand their concept on a global scale. The corporation is planning to build around 5,000 eHomes in the next 3 to 5 years. Tesla electric vehicle chargers are part of a supercharger network that will allow your car to be charged fast so that even when you're in a hurry, you won't have to worry about the car being fully charged. There are charging ports available at different locations, where you only need to wait a short while and get going again. The Tesla wall chargers installed at homes will allow users to always wake up to a fully charged electric car without having to worry about going to a certain charging port at a nearby location to charge their car. These wall chargers also have software updates which are automatically updated so that the wall chargers are always performing their best. There are also more than 4,500 destination chargers around the country, meaning that you can relax no matter where you go without having to worry about running out of charge for your car. How is this beneficial? Having a home powered fully by solar energy and using a fully electric car has many benefits. Environmentally speaking, making use of these products will greatly lower your carbon footprint. By using the solar roof system, you are essentially paying for your electricity usage by just collecting energy through the solar panels and storing them. Tesla claims to power your home at the lowest price per watt of any other electricity provider in the country. This also helps owners keep a track of their monthly electricity bills. People choosing to use these products will save a lot of money as well. How much money you will save by using these products can be calculated on the Tesla website. Allset Home Corporation and Tesla together are creating this sustainable community with a mutual goal in mind of reducing the carbon footprint and having a positive impact on the environment. The hope is that the communities they build will be living entirely sustainable lifestyles. The founder and CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, commented on this sustainable project, saying that the feedback they receive from the solar and battery products, which are used in this community, will then impact how they develop and launch their new products. Creating sustainable living to reduce carbon footprint is an extremely important idea that needs to be put into practice. With the negative effects of global warming, it's time we change the way we live and start putting more effort into changing our lifestyles. These inventions created and executed by Tesla are a huge encouragement for other companies to also produce sustainable products. With fears about global warming leading to the end of the world, which in all honesty is entirely the fault of us humans, we should start reducing the negative impact that we have on this planet now itself, if we will ever have a chance of prolonging life on Earth. There are even major plans being made of building homes outside planet Earth, in space or on Mars, where humans can live in the future, in case the world comes to an end. So, why wait so long till the point of no return? I think if each one of us puts in the effort now, we can still bounce back from all the environmental damage done so far. If this invention gained your curiosity and you would like to stay updated, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on Elon Musk and his future inventions. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.